Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your BASEUS Eli Sport 1. And let's get started. So, the touch area is located right here. And if you press one time, and we should prepare the song. So, yeah, okay, we have it. If you press two times on your right or left earbud, you can play your pause song. So 1, 2. Okay, maybe I bet it. I make it bad. Yeah. And now it works. And to just play the song, press 2 more. Here we go. Now to play a next track, you should press 3 times on your right earbud. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. And to play previous track, press 3 times on your left earbud. 1, 2, 3. It worked. And the last one what we can do is the volume control. So if you wanna increase the volume, just press and hold on your right earbud. And as you can see, I increase the volume. To lower it, just press and hold on your left earbud. And again, it worked. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.